Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. One of the articles of our belief is to believe in the last day. And the last day begins with the final breath that we take in this dunya. Our religion is so comprehensive that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam have not only taught us how to live in this dunya, rather our religion has also taught us how to depart this dunya. Therefore, all of us, we need to prepare ourselves for the final journey. Therefore, we have designed a course called Final Journey, where we cover various topics related to the next life, including the preparation for death, life in the grave, the funeral rites, as well as the significance and importance of writing a will. So we encourage all of you to please enroll into this course and benefit. Wa jazakumullah khaira. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.